Let's make product manipulation. Change the background color to red. Make shapes with rectangle tool and adjust it. Clip new layer to both shapes and brush with white. Make some more shapes with rectangle tool. Do same process with other shapes also. Clip another layer with shape and brush with black to make shadow effect. Make another line shape with white and adjust it. Copy white line shape and adjust on other sides. Bring product in PNG and adjust it. Make copy of product and clip with shape and apply motion blur effect. Do the same process again with other shapes. Make the opacity low of the blur product. Thank you for watching.